Good morning students, this is GK video as we have finished science and start revising the chapters as your half yearly is coming, and today from now onwards we are going to start with the GK chapters. So take out the GK book and come to the page number 10. Let's start with the GK. Let's start with this. If you don't have any book, then you have to write down in some other copy. Make a copy for GK till you get the book and write down as I have written, and those who have book just mark the answers in your book only with the pen or pencil. Clear? So chapter number 6, Gardens of India. Come to the page number 10, those who have book. First one is Lal Bagh. So Lal Bagh is situated in Bangalore. It's situated in Bangalore. Second one is Hanging Garden. Hanging Garden is situated in Mumbai. Third one is Brindavan Garden. It's situated in Mysore. Fourth one is Chashma Shahi Garden. That is in Srinagar. Fifth one is Mughal Garden. That is in New Delhi. And sixth one is Lloyd's Botanical Garden. That is in Darjeeling. So this is the chapter of Gardens of India. You have to just tick in your book, right? There is an option given over here. I haven't written these options. I have just written down the answers for those who doesn't have any book of GK. And if I suggest, please buy it, because without book you can't study. So buy the GK book as soon as possible. ठीक है, खरीद लो. अभी बिना बुक के कैसे काम चलेगा? पूरा बुक कम से कम 45 चैप्टर्स हैं आपके पास. ऑलमोस्ट 50 हैं, लेकिन we are going to do some 45 chapters something. So today we are going to cover 2 chapters at a time, right? So come to the page number 11. In page number 11 you will get the heading Countries Fly Flags. That is chapter number 7. You will get the pictures of the flag. As you can see the pictures of the flag, there's options given over here on the middle of that pictures. Its options are given, that is the name of the countries, and the flags are given side by side. So first one is, as you can see in the picture, it's written numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is at the middle of this, and 10th is on the right side. So first one is USA. Write down USA. In front of USA, write down the alphabetic A or 1. In the second, that is India. In third, that is Canada. In fourth, China. Fifth, Great Britain. Sixth, South Africa. Seventh is Sri Lanka. Eighth is Pakistan. Ninth is Japan. And 10th one is बांग्लादेश. एक और बात सुन लो, आपको टिक करना है या फिर टिक नहीं करना है तो उसमें नंबरिंग करनी है. ठीक है, अगर वहां पे 1 दिया है तो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द यूएसए राइट 1. आपको यूएसए पूरा नहीं लिखना है, आपके ऑप्शंस लिखे हुए हैं, यूएसए ढूंढिए उसमें ऑप्शंस में और यूएसए के सामने 1 लिख दीजिए. ठीक है, ऐसे ही इंडिया के सामने 2 लिख दीजिए, क्योंकि सेकंड नंबर का फ्लैग जो है वो इंडिया का है. थर्ड कनाडा, तो कनाडा के सामने 3 लिखिए. फोर्थ चाइना के सामने 4 लिखिए. ऐसे नंबरिंग लिखनी है. समझ में आ गया? फिफ्थ ग्रेट ब्रिटेन है तो ग्रेट ब्रिटेन के सामने 5th लिखिए. साउथ अफ्रीका के सामने 6th लिखिएगा. श्रीलंका के सामने 7th लिखिएगा. एंड पाकिस्तान के सामने 8 लिखिएगा. जापान के सामने 9 लिखिएगा और बांग्लादेश के सामने 10 लिखिएगा. ठीक है, और जिनके पास बुक नहीं है वो अभी तो सिर्फ नंबरिंग कर लीजिए, और जब बुक आ जाएगी तब ये आंसर्स उनमें लिख लीजिएगा, क्योंकि विदाउट फ्लैग देखे आप ये कंट्रीज याद करने से कोई फायदा नहीं है, राइट? सो बाय द बुक एंड डू इट in the book, right? So these are the 2 chapters which you have to do in your book. Right now, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in WhatsApp. Thank you so much.